Blum has actually released their eligibility. So if you mine Blum, if you have been mining Blum on Telegram, so this is the right time for you to watch this video and make sure you. Well, I have one opportunity for you. At the end of this video, you'll be able to see some kind of answers, and I've provided answers for you at the end of this video on how you can solve some videos questions. You know, if you watch their video, you click on the video or some task, it will ask you to put in answers. These answers has been provided here at the end of this video so that you'll be able to go and do them, because part of what will make you qualify for the airdrop is amount of key coin or key token that you need to get. So, and I'm very sure many people, even including me, have not been able to do it. So by the help of this video, you'll be able to do that in short. So watch this video carefully and make sure that you do everything accordingly. So let's jump to the Telegram. Okay, let me show you the eligibility, and so that you see it yourself while I'll be saying it. Also, guys, this is me on my Telegram application. So you can see this is Blum. This is Blum group. So this is their official group on Telegram. So if you scroll down to the last angle, so we have it right here. The first thing that they have here is that they talk about. Let me scroll up a bit. You can see right here. They talk about their project breakdown in Q2 2025. We are already in the Q2 right now because Q2 starts from April. So all these ones are just information. So if you want to read that so that I won't waste your time. So, but if you want to know the answer, so the main thing that is very important to I and you is this what we have right here. So that is the most very important thing to every miner. This angle. Blum Airdrop mini criteria and our roadmap for Q2, Q3 2025 are here. So we have you'll be eligible for the airdrop. So I'm right there. You'll be eligible for the airdrop if you have one on minimum of 100K Bloom points, which is that means you must have farmed 100K right here. Let me show you that on my profile. So if you come right there, so you can just scroll up to see. You can see on this account right now, I'm just farming 79,304, which means that this account, if this account will be qualified for the airdrop, I still have a long way to go. So let's go back to that place. So the next thing is minimum of 750 MP meme points or POA. So this one, I think, okay, let's go right back. So MP, so you can see right here, I don't have any MP meme points. I don't have any because I've never traded on their meme points per platform. So if you want to get that, automatically you just need to come to meme pad right here. Sorry, you come to meme pad. I'm coming. Sorry, this thing is okay. So you're going to come to meme pad at this middle. Let me lift this thing. This meme pad. You click on the meme pad. So it is either you create a token or you trade their token, you buy from this token. So this is how you get that. And you'll be seeing that this one will increase and come up. So that is that. So I don't know the actual value of the token you can buy or whatever. If you are interested, I'm not saying you should go and buy you. So that's just that. It is not financial advice. No one knows what they are going to list, or they will be like this other one that just listed stupid things. So there, let's go back and check. So the next thing is they said you need proof of activity. Okay, that is that. So if you don't have that, then you must have proof of activity, and that proof of activity is that the email. This one, I think this email. You click right here. Okay, let me go back for you to see. Let me go back for you to see. So if you click right here, so if you have confirmed yours, so it's going to pop up like this account has been confirmed. and the email has been created. So the next one that you need to know is minimum of two reviral, which means that you must have two reviral. So and that is very very disgusting. Like seriously. So I don't know why they will count reviral as eligibility. That's a very stupid thing, I think. But we are not expecting anything from them before. So that means that you need to click right here if you want to know if you have reviral before. Sorry. You will see this place that I'm just circle. So you're going to click right here, and you're going to see if you have any reviral. Click on that place, and you can see it loading. So if you scroll up, uh, you're going to see amount of people that you've invited. Oh, sorry, I think it's no more in that place, Abi. It's no more in that place. So all your points are actually here, even if I thought you click in that place. So this account is qualified because I know that okay, this is it. I've seen it. If you click on that place, so it's going to be on this turn, then you are going to click on points. So when you click on points like this, so it's going to come like this. So the point you've earned from your referrals will be here. Like this one now, you can see I've earned 1,400 and something 9 BP. So and down below, I'll be down right here. You can see I've referred 7 people on this account. So just click on claim right here. So if we come back to the home menu, you see that this one will increase to something around 80,000. So that is the basic criteria for, for being qualified for that project. If you be eligible for Blum token, you must meet this criteria. So if you want to work toward that, you can actually work toward that. And if you are not going to work toward that, oh, come on, you can just leave it. It depends on the level that you are and how fast you can actually meet up. Let me fill this their image and so that we see their Q3, and if that the Q3 has to do with anything. It said Blum listening project token to our DEX or other products. So okay, perpetual features, reviral feature, MPC wallet, Blum mobile applications, chain abstraction, and more. So that is their Q3. I think this Q2 is where they are going to list. So TG, airdrop criteria, token utilities, and tokenic. Okay, that one will happen very, very soon. So, guys, so let me give you answer to this. So, if you need answer to this video, if you need answer to the videos, you're going to click on N right here. So you see all the videos there. So I'm going to give you the answer for that. And if the answer does not complete in this video, I'm going to do or give you more on my Telegram or TikTok. Or okay, let's just say I'm going to make sure that I do a video on that and give you the rest of the answer. Very, very urgent. So in time, I'll give you the rest of the answer in time. This thing is loading. I think that's network issue. So let me switch to the answer page. So I just want to show you. I think you should be able to know. You should know how to do that before. Just click on the video, start, close, and okay, it has opened. You can see after you've clicked on those videos, you just click on verify like this. You are going to check the answer and put the answer. Let's assume the answer is the let the answer is the kings. Just type it like this. So and you just click on verify down below. You click on verify right here. So and it should be verified. So let me shift to the answer page. So guys, I'm right here on the answer page. So these are the answers. Hope you can see them. So you can just look at the answer like that and make sure that you you use them to claim your points. So those are the answers. So I'm just leaving them on the board like this. So I want to release this video urgently, so that is why I need to record this like this, because if I say I want to be typing it or do some other things, it might not be sufficient. So and if possible, I can provide them in the comment section as well. So that is the answer. So the one I have with me right now. So that is the answer. So just use that answer to claim more points so that you'll be eligible for that token. So that is that. So guys, I love every one of us. Love you, and thanks for watching this video from beginning to the end. So if you need anything or you need any assistance, doing anything regarding Blum, let me have in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you are first time viewer. Love you guys and meet you next. Thank you. Bye bye for now.